Warriors here, and they are 26th of September, and they are see that. So show me evangelist Patricia Odro Cranton, Dodona friend Mama Pax, my Joseph Adolfo. I am here, sir. May launch the new iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro Max. So Kaisa me be launch iPhone 12 no. Anyway, iPhone 13 is suaba. So your banana, so ye premier. J.O. iPhone 13. Oh, your banana, ye premier. Hey, J iPhone 13. So your banana, ye premier. J iPhone 13 Pro Max. Malanche. Menyamedsie. Ain't it also Jewo dear?
Akrobato me kanfo dua esu dua eba center doctor odano no eyo oheneba ofori sebe ade aminim me nka ho asam nkyerɛw because me din so se be ma wo yemre wo mpamu a ama wadigie eba fom na eye ensem bebre enigi sem ne se abibiduro eye ni eye krom ha aduru ahaban enua enhini eni dubra ene ode aye ne se yare ne diguma papa unya ba ho nko ade a yare ahuru bebre ho a obetimi aboaw bibi se diabetes prostate sebe oba wo yare a edi enya bebre ntimi nkani nyina wo fidie so oba ho a emwa biara na doctor no so wo no obehwe no aboaw fresh number we 0246354747 and say 0503479 Well, here be a bra. Akrobato. Me kanfo. Ekoye. Nyamenko obi am.
Send. Tap send. No fee mobile money transfer. Eye easy. Eye convenient. Eye fast. And sounds so free. Won't you share? Me discover ye mapim. Tap send. Intienne. Also download the tap send app no. Ewa mobile phone so free. Na first ka komo abusuya for Ghana afa na nyina. Tap send. Papa no.
I for share the party TV said the share video ni ba iPhone 13 na abasuyan e na eye agrada e de ne de ababesha anche bia na trace so mai e just akoye competition e wo social media so bi e tobi na wa wo hwe men so wo de e wo ye twense wo de beba na yen so ye hu bi na no na my name is cover girl any shodi abetina se e ba be twetwe nkomo se pressure mo toma youth for na say social media e de enye easy kra make I say tap send and also ya say amaye de jumedi ebro mo se me kan cho say quantity e fa so send this car every Europe country UK and I say Canada eba or my Ghana mu na quantity o send this car for her che car free say €5 and I say $10 and I think so say unique laser whitening to say we say enka anasa we say colors oba omubeboa ama wanum aye fine pa and adua so dua so say wapomuden hu how bia fa beda omuna omumboa ema woso nya wayare sa say ye honhom mu yare anase honam mu yare bia oba mu didumna ene ahahama ebesa yare ama for mo number no screen so na ni omo nkasa GQ sound say wo ye birthday party naming ceremony o ware anase wo ye afahye bia wo to nsa frɛ omo beba ene wa ba bedi dwumedie ni kama omo machine so de emu da ho krogin a ai obetimi afrɛ omo number no ene go screen so arefo wo share video na wo comment na wo like na wo share na afoforo so enya bi a share abejo for mama kwaba Miss Cover girl iPhone 13 ya beja ebi malanchi omo de na what say
yeah that's it more I will share right about now Michelle iPhone 13 yeah okay I see. It's nice.
iPhone.
Yeah, if you're an iPhone freak, it's nice. Yeah, but then again, more buy more lunch, it's what's up. I don't know your brand, you can't say ambassadors.
That be where you need bottoms car.
Me some your brand ambassadors for iPhone 13. Na Chromo I say, don't wanna buy our penta no more flaunt, and all flaunt and all the receipts I come home.
I
know that chest where you go to Muska.
And I got
and I talk.
This
my sir, for the fraud boys for the one has about flaunt and on my day.
I glad that I can't watch them.
Forget it. I for now call we took my car outside the high school, college for UC. Even company they give it to you on credits and you pay it in bets. And you are here making it look like a big deal. Also, I want to work for. What the receipt about me? I no pet.
Say you no nato.
Oh please.
Hey.
Me oh yeah. So because I'm a fool, you be some receipt. I have to provide it. You can not just me you bottom muskana me there. And the akwa Moko swap na mo didi demfianfia bi na mo dikutakutala. And na mo na iPhone. Me don't move in paso.
Nti omo de no omo de omo old one na akọ.
And I say, who so na what
for receipt.
What I say? And I must cases who say, who took one? It's nothing. They give it to them even on credit. Not you pay in bet. It's no so aba. What to bottom scatwa? Now the receipt not 20.
Account.
So your iPhone shops be around. And I will order from, whether Amazon or like outside, whichever way they are order from there. I'm sure so we'll forward this scan and I will make a payment. There's a receipt. That's it. There's a receipt to show. It's a far receipt. Me want me it's me top pressure. Mommy, sister. Say. It's me top pressure. I wonder. What say I would dear? Prove it. As simple as that.
Now, no one got on the iPhone. Prove it, Ben.
And some better pressure, like you, the way you making it look like we are brand ambassador, Bina, we are agreed so we are premier, better iPhone 10, and then what?
Also, what say we are premier, Branebet iPhone 10.
Branebet iPhone 13. Now, me say, who prema some so not the receipt I
can't say, then I'm not going to be receipt.
Yeah, it's that simple. I can't remember when I was in uni and then I'm baby birthday. There was this dress to be a video share the video clip be one of the artists characters be share. And I said to myself, so I'll buy it. When I bought it, I have receipts to show. Michelle wants me share. I bought it purposely say
for birthday.
For her birthday, And your baby I can attest to it say, yo. Satire, you be share with me. What I say? It's no some baby some satire what over here. I be receipt me show. Just say like me own it up. But some be na home beton necessary na pressure na obi to no osune enkonform ma and twa na ehu na ma.
Obi 5 in pokro bi so bi mu that. Now the 13 back there.
See, let me tell you. When also 5 mudo, yes, I did win you know, and now boo. I did win you know, and now boo. But it's nice. It's nice to
now, what is so special about iPhone 13? It says it's number for 11.
Let me tell you one thing. If you be free car, about you want to have it. It's nice. But then again, if you're not in any competition with anyone, why should you be in a haste? Do you get me? It's okay, fine. Not first, we used to 5, we used to 6, and on that time print. So say a face ID. Over upgrade your face. But it's nice. It's nice, but it doesn't
sense. No,
it's nice. What I say. To send me on the regular say, I wouldn't it's a say airport by may use AirPod Pro. What I say, and I know how it feels like. And to say a second generation and second generation I'm a pet. Where me day, me first generation, me second generation. I'm pro and I'm pro me the accent. Me how I sit say, because I wouldn't in day. It's no what me was a pro show be as one. I wouldn't be in a like minimum how it's no me the customer used to be that, but me few me top pressure there mommy into no a woman a nice what else we used to time one and you upgrade it's nice, but then again even if you don't have it why should you like just worry your head
out obi say ono pa de senka obekwa akoto techno pa den ko de be isi yam pressure na ba
better techno
ko be isi yam ba yeren keten na.
Oh, I side with her. Me the other brands no we Samsung every honor me other brands
no
I mean the other brands no Chan brands no so it's techno
or say what they better techno pa go be
to wow mempe so be no joy there me I don't like the other brands no it's either a Samsung
or iPhone
that's it, and I'm not saying that just because or be flaunting again so you cut your coat according to your fabric what I say, but like I said that is who you freaker
me say me who you me say wow
meaning who you freak iPhone freak it's no one buyer say that should be you know
that should be me metobia na me kunu betobia e be do okana iPhone 14 40 and abaso they only be share with na den to ma boss so be e pa na shadi okay
yo me chia the party for nyina say abranya na omnya daje ehwe na me insure me chia Richard or US
ojo so obeti let's say do mu nyina ahwe indi
the American one asem we ho ne say ayana asefem say agrada nnyema bi aya turebo ha wo ye no oye no overdose so taking overdose too much ninti America sa asepania sebe wo cheso ne wo motu o mafu
sebi
yes na me toss sebe na afudwa na nkama nkolampo nye abozege aden na ultimate phone betre so what me bisa me ho say what should ne nkwaje ho kwan
nkwaje na phone so dey fa nkwaje
yes I hold dey yan show
phone nkwaje
hunya pa
phone dey fa nkwaje
hunya because nienti America sa na say sadie we pressure na wo dey bema because obo wa oni self break wa hu bibi say no obe make sure say ne me ne mema be 20 beda
no wenye
na wenye yes wo dey wo ahwe ye won kola ni ebirim ho ma adwin na ha enti wa hu sadie we mostly ne mai wa no ene say sugar daddy for montana ye afa so mo be kwadro so akọji ndro di ayiye omanim omo pons ne omo hwanwan ya obede kika omani ase nyina mema aba mu nnue
ebi kra de oni de der ya na tese huntimi nko oyire hu bi
huntimi
yo be ka bi
ya me omo be kondro so akọji jindro di abaye omo ho de ndro ni so de ka cheska fonko ti se wo mo mu ni bi
mo keten de ebe atoro wo so
what I say mo kra de embem intinkense so wo yesa so what to kra me enko because efe enya between one of family what dey betre say enya
so atono de ahye ne dem so bi
na wo bekom kra na e bia won toye
no ayende
miss kava kasa wo se nko onje receipt dey etimi trotim
abuze ge ne yaka ne wase
na make wa na do nya dipa ebetimi aba se wo mo ntoye Tracy ebetimi because oye media popular ninti obetimi akọ e bia
person me brand.
Oh, me person me hand to the farmer me I say, you know. Obeti mi asanche you can say receipt di amano. Receipt ya ton say. Receipt u kwa yi e be ma wo. It is receipt ya hu yan po say be show receipt because met me atro. Oh, u dey receipt na fa chere say nso na kenken kwa. Enti mi sa niam na mo ba ye na me ka say mani am.
So we say ade na ka we say wo ye prema ni a be chere wo iPhone.
Na ye den. Na ye den. We are prema ni obi anim say
prema ni so nya me yon fit.
Oh yeah. But agrada 150 na obe ya agrada. 150. Agrada ba ye nyina ye hu ye.
Hu no wo.
Ebi e wona wa hu mi de mi bu. Agrada no nye te say ne ne ya wa ye broni. Obi no ye kokko but 90 say obi a no ye fihiem ene yakọ baabi ofiri baabi osati ye nyina ye hu no ode kwa ya ka ne se bansere ne eyi atoto na se saade we sere ne ade ye hu no ne nya ebi a nyame aya dom na apo ya mo ka ne se akọ yes akọ na nim na watimi aya ya eno na wo si ye se hwa da bia me ka se me wo ma me bu wo ma na obi a wode ne nsa abre aje adwuma who are born for Swamano. Me, we are back now. You be called that disca now. The Kotoka, I say, me now for ya. Me move because all the was in a jay. Now, what the one sa and a year Juma and a wood dear fine. I don't know, I am dead. Now, me cry round more. Nene said ya wa ebia ebinim apo ebinim di o sabe o mo charge sugar na before ebinim di akukọ ndro so edi nema yi ya follow mani mo de twe nkrofo wo sika yi sanya ma no ba ya me no mo ye de edede hu no mo ye Ghana ha say edede hu
the pressure na hu yi
when say top pressure kwa ma youth for I'm telling you won samani na juma bi na wo ya ye forget sa iPhone 13 na aba me fine wonye ska na utobia fine wonye ska man top pressure
obi utobi ma wa
obeti mi ato iPhone 13 ene ya na wato hotim na wawu eno so en
ana ukita o ba fia na obi
wo ba fia obi beti mi age you know ewiase mo dia wo bia ma wani so dia wo bia ma wani so e na wiase mu what na wiase na okase o bia iPhone 13 me person mi ntobi wo jire wo beto wo ni obi na wo nkwa duro so wo nkwa frode nkwa fon fanto wo be ye
you bo so dey
yes what
ebeti mi ato asase abelde kakra
exactly e na waka ni ansasem no but sha ye wo bu ho wo kitafo ne bo madam bi oye dimo TV3 and then 3 days say from be the is it me ref Samsung Note I don't know what wallet new one on the aba no buy me shop I was happy for her me say wow me be say I'll say otono 120 million and I'm say I'll say 150 and I'm say 150 my house say no so repeat here me face oboa otwe me ko ne kam ko yi ya receipt bibia na me hwe ne din na me say what
oh hi dai
odo nya no ani sika o
oh hi dai
oti 2 bedroom self contained nya ne dan na mo me dan miss wani bebre me say me ntom you know inti me bisa ne say inti fa ne say unipa ya wanya na oso gu anu wo betimi di ato asase wo da fa to ton sase gu o ana to gold fa to Papa baby, same place be. Share any onya gold 5 carat. Say 4 point something. Uti mi ko baby. Ubeti mi atol ole egu ho. It is 150 million kan he na obenya. A lot of. Ubenya a lot of it. Na ko we keep. That time dollar na ko suru nyina na ba. Me that time na sa na ya me ye. Because me nim say sika de. Sika ya de ti mi shim. Inti wunya sika asase me to asase tu. Je say ntokwa na ade aba me yo baba me try wow na wuti obi o te wa rent na wakoto sa ade we na kita wa e wiase afefe de kwa
ebi mo asem we ba ebi mo ka se uni edan tim na wakoto iPhone sisi obi say uni scar e na wo kan kwa asem uni o scanti na wakoto
tie ayesa me fear right celebrating the birthday 1 year. Now we are the we try kwasa. Who sika? Fine. But say who be Jimmy sorry to use this word. Who be Jimmy now high gain. Now back to phone 150 million and I say 100 million 120 million Jimmy. I don't know fan to assassin. Now one started baby 100 over to me say 2 room a bit me see.
Ebi a ordinary ato ne maame we Japan.
From until what down. From until what down. Bibia betimi esi. Ebi a papa na wo do wani ato ne so no bet na ho forever. Memi ye bisa.
Na papa no wu e.
Ana meka no. Enti momi hwe ye daache. Enye na dia ye die wu. Se wo wo sika no na abro so dia why not? 150 sika so enye sika. Wo ebi a be 1 billion wo account. Mo betimi ato. Ba meken wo ni fie. Woni ayi na ukoto a mimi woni se jenjen kwa ba wonya fie ukita wo car na ukita wadwuma papa bi eya woto a you know ayefe
that's Adepa TV na weni gusa o share na o like comment na o share ama afofo so enye bi ahwe social media ho pressure I amafo tomaye no eno ho nsem nene anopa me Miss Cover Girl ni show di ebobo ho no tap send se men kan cho se kwanti e fa so send ska efi Europe country anasa Canada eba o man Ghana mu a eye kwanti titi akra fa ho jim sanso na eye Duasudia Herbal Center say for wapomude hu how eba bedan o spiritual and as physical omude numbra ene haba ebesa wo yare a wonko ensa mabiem for mo number no screen so ne doctor eni insan wo so sanso na a unique laser white no mo say wanum nka anasa wo sena a change color no wo ba wo maso ya wo be ya ma fita ama wo so wetimi aka wo ho akonipam GQ sound see jumedie biara wudi bia tonsa frɛ omo na omo mra meboa omo machine so de muda wo kroje a omo beboa ama bibia atotoyie share video in a comment like and share e ma foforo enya bi nhwe e maye Miss Cover Girl for our last word and as advice awo e ma youth to Jamaica.
Okay, so Wahala say Shamia. It's okay. I mean, if you have it, just flaunt it. Mostly, you know, it's about the mindset. Nah, it's high trade. That's what God look up to, the heart and the mindset. No. So if you have it and you want to flaunt it, just flaunt it. If at the end of the day, you know, when him say it's not because of being away side, please go ahead. If you have the money, just go ahead and buy it and do whatever you have to do. I agree that some that woman, she's already
now obi cry ka say agree that buy a Tracy aka mommy. Yeah, she mommy. Say Tracy ni mommy my. Queen Shua.
Oh no, I say she's not a fan of iPhone. Isn't someone follow?
She's not a fan.
If you're sure.
Now mommy abana grandma bad
if you're sure.
Daughter bad grandma bad.
Maybe you are not updated. If you're sure that it's never an
she's not fan.
Oh, okay. Samsung freak, so you can always be a checking on the iPhone channel or the bet because on pay iPhone.
Oh, okay, ne mommy, omo kasa ne, omo yes sorry.
They don't even know. No. If you know her, you know say she's not somebody or like as I woke kasa na Mama Brown and flaunted iPhone. Like she's honestly a one person and she's into, you know, the Android. Yes, and when you see them holding it, it's just by the way.
150 million.
If you're like, you know, you see her holding it, just by the way. But you know, so there are some people naturally they are so into
it.
I mean, Android.
I know it's Android na kasanso so. You know my baby o.
Now your phone. Ne boy didn't say iPhone. Sa wallet ya be. Ne boy didn't say iPhone.
Sa.
Opa check it. 150 million.
Sa.
Say no matter so na 145. Inti ne bro iPhone 13 ya be. What I say? Inti iPhone mimi nim de wo ma I don't know.
Busy will be
although yeah. But ya wo benya wo iPhone ni mo no. E bia sa Samsung no. Unya na bia wo ne ma bi wo so Samsung no benya ba iPhone no so. Eh sa na tie.
Into no so what has and share agrada and share Tracy Boache, your mom, like I said. If truly they are the ones who bought it, they should prove it. They should have a receipt to prove it. I say Ubobi and no receipt. So they should have a receipt to prove it. And regardless of how you purchase it, no. Be it through your banking transaction, be it through Momo, whatsoever we see that you can produce, just put. And that's answer there. I don't see why you should be there and say yeah, or be a top pressure amount. It just doesn't.
But a top pressure amount.
It's somebody that is lame. Who is lame and. One can say so ambitious, like Bibia, Upeboni Bradia.
I dare also be
Upebia. That's what you go for. That's what I'm saying. If you have money and you feel like you can afford it, or you just afford it. I always use myself as an example. I won't use anybody else. Like I said, when I celebrated my birthday, I've been celebrating my birthday every year. But the very day I celebrated, I was on campus. You need to see Nkofo that was talking about it. Why did you waste that money? Why did you waste that money? But then again, you don't even know what is in my account. You don't even know what I do. You don't even know what I have. Just because I'm doing it, the only thing you can do is just to appreciate it. Tell God, say, so that's why. Sometimes if you don't have something and somebody is doing it, if it's not jealousy, you tend to
something
talk,
else.
You tend to talk anyhow. But then again, if you have it and you can afford it, I don't have a problem with it. But Mr. Whatever you see on social media, I've been saying this over and over again. Whatever you see on social media, always apply the rules of life. There's one part of rules of life that say don't compare. You don't compare yourself to whosoever nyamabia oye. Obiane style say crown. And no so we can say we are Miss Cavago, we say we are Mikuta iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 13 Pro. Into so no Pro who are to be. We try break. We try a break. You don't know. You don't even know mine. You don't know. Into no so we say Mikurana so we try a bremodia. And you be watch it. And you watch it. But in other words, please, if you have it, just flaunt. If you have suffered in public, please flaunt it in public. The name is Miss Cavago, is on the screen.
Shady, for our last word, my youth.
Yo, the American say, and Sessa and Yama, you social media, Biana, ye day, ye be pray, and who say ye be pray, say because we are seeing in certain na enyepe you free one and son na yakotu into one osha niam omo ya ebe te say e trouble ha won be prefer say won so benya bi but kai say esuno bi ani ba bi ofri esuno ba bi a wowura no wunwura hoye nti ense say won so be wura ho nti dia wo no mo wani so dia wo.
That's it. Madam was at the party I'll share me source comment like in share video na tap send unique laser whitening dia studia GQ Sun and our face Royal Hallmark magazine and a soya sin amaya di jumedie ebro media na ya anima kwacho ya be say share